Hi everybody, here's how you can do a YouTube short on the macOS on your desktop on a computer, not just from a phone. With the phone you can adjust your video any horizontal or vertical, and you can upload a short and turn it into a vertical. Here's how you can turn a horizontal video into vertical on the macOS with iMovie. So we have the movie right here, and you'll see that it's all horizontal, quite clear. Now what we can do, we can select the video, just click on it once, and you go up here to the cropping tool, you click that once, and you can go here, and you can click like this one right here, rotate the clip, counterclockwise. And you can see I've centered the logo there, so you know where the center more or less is, because that's going to be your vertical and your horizontal, right? Now when you take the crop tool again, you're going to see it's like that, and now you can see, yeah, that was pretty good, that logo. So there we have it. Now we say OK, and we export the video like normal. We'll do it at full resolution, quality, best ProRes. In this case, high is good enough. Although, why not? Let's try it. Since we're going on the mobile phone, I would never do it that big, but let's try it on the desktop. Compress, better quality. All right. Now we fill in the information here. Paste the tags in, paste the description, because you see the description is like a bug, it like overflows. You would think then if you click here it would go back to normal, but it doesn't. So that's a little bit of the problem. And then I got this as the title, copy. iMovie did fix the bug where if you had punctuation in the file name, it would just fail. Sometimes even go corrupt. All right, so now we got everything set up. We hit next, and we export the video as is. You can see the progress of the export up top here. Let's take a while at 3 gigs, so I'll come back. I'll pause this. We have the file here. We're going to select the file. Just click on it once. Don't open it in QuickTime. And we're going to hit the space bar. Just once. Hit the space bar when the file is selected. You get this. Now what you see up top is this little rotation thing. So you see a little rotation. If you hit the Alt key, it'll switch it. So you hit Alt and switch it. And look at that. And now it's perfect. It's perfectly vertical format, perfect for YouTube Shorts or other things like TikTok and Instagram. Now when we save it, you'll see it's now vertical. And if we open it up, there we go. Beginning is a little bit off, I knew that. Now when you upload this video, when you're in the Content Studio, when you log into your YouTube account and you're in the studio, you hit Create, and you hit Upload Videos, and you choose the video, or you drag and drop it right there like that. So that's how easy it is to go from horizontal to vertical for YouTube Shorts, wherever it might be. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share if you did. David from Pinecre01 wishing you a fantastic day. Take care. Okay, just to show you here, it's now up in my Shorts section. It's one thing on the desktop, you can't see your videos from your Shorts. They're all just videos, which they all are. But on the mobile, you can, it breaks them out as Shorts, and that means less than 1 minute. So 59 seconds or less. On the mobile, you can choose how long you can like edit your shorts, but on the desktop, not so easily. But anything less than a minute and that is vertical is a short. And videos are, of course, the rest of your videos. So, but here it is. It's uploaded. It's just waiting to be published at 7:30 tonight here in the Netherlands. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. And check out that short too. It's really amazing. Anyway, take care. That's how you can take your horizontal videos, make them vertical in iMovie, and then get them as YouTube Shorts or any other type of vertical format video. All right, buddy, take care. David from Pinecre01, wishing you a great day and happy videoing.